Hey guys, so like I said in uh, my previous video, I will have Nature Republic merchandise coming with like lace stuff, I guess. So yeah, so this is from the EXO pop-up store. So I got lace, like photocard set, or is it postcard set? Yep, really cute. Oh my god, we're so cute. Okay, so yay. So for Nature Republic, you have to buy the hand cream to get a photo set, for like not a photo set, a photo card. So I got a box and I got to choose my member. So yay! So it actually comes together like in this, and of course I got Lay's photo card. So cute, and that's his like hand cream choice, I guess. Yay! I have two more of these cards coming, but I don't know who I'm getting because it's random. So I got my bias already, so it doesn't really matter who I get next. So other than that, I got his Standee, lace Standee. Comes with a signature. Sorry if I'm sounding a little sniffy because I'm still sick, and because I bought some more like Nature Republic stuff apart from the hand cream. I was entitled to the EXO calendar. So let's see. I most likely will not be keeping this. I think I'm gonna just send it to a friend. So yeah, it's not assembled yet, so let's see. So that's the first page. Got all the boys. Yep, and the back is just like a calendar. So like just some product info. So starts with Baekhyun. So don't know if it's focusing properly. Chanyeol, Sehun, Dio. Oh, Dio's really cute. Kai. Kai's really handsome in this one. Suho. Ooh, Suho. Chris. Handsome as usual. Tao. Cute as usual. Chen Chen. Lu Han. Xiumin. Minsuk. And Lei. Lei's December. He's very handsome. So it actually comes with like the standing thing. Yeah, and it comes with like the two links for you to assemble the calendar. So most likely not be keeping this. So yeah, that's all. As for the other Nature Republic hand cream set that I'm getting, it would come with 2 full cards and 1 Standee, so that would be random. So I guess I'll unbox that later when I get it in the future. So I will have Miracles in December album's coming tomorrow, I guess. It should be here by tomorrow though, so I most likely have that. And let's see. I guess that's all for now. Cause maybe I'll get more. I'll get some VIX magazines. Cause they have some really nice photo shoots. For the January magazines. So I might get that as well. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.